Crude oil not showing even a slightest signs of retracement has achieved 90.6 levels. We have discussed yesterday that beyond 89.2 and we can expect $90 levels to get breached, and it has in fact achieved 90.6 here, the first resistance level. Remember, in the near term resistances on crude is somewhere here at 91.5, 92 zone. Very strong resistance here. 91.2, 91.6, 92.5 levels rather, I will say, because beyond that 95 is the next milestone. At the same time, net gas has gone close to 2.98 levels, failed to breach past 3 and has reversed since then. So what to expect today? Which position you should take trading crude and net gas? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the first update for the day. Next update will be released before the US session. Do not miss that. Was that. Thus, to keep yourself updated, press the bell icon and join my free Telegram channel to get the live updates. Also, your every like, comment, and share is a great appreciation for me, great inspiration for me, great support for me. You're just pressing a thumbs up button definitely means to me a lot. So do like, comment, share. Let's start. First crude followed with net gas. Watch. Look at the hourly charts. Moving averages looking upwards. Price is consistently rallying here, and this is the bullish channel in which crude is trading as of. Yes, $90 levels, which was a resistance earlier, is now going to be a. So 90, 89.8, this is something you should watch out for the day, because beyond that we can see it hitting 89 levels again, 89.5 and 89 levels again. So yes, the resistances which were playing earlier are now going to be the support here. And if you look at on the upside, see, after it's showing multiple greener candles, now oil is trying to retrace. I will wait for it to stay below 90.3 levels, 90.2 levels. Yes, you can initiate a sell entry here, but with caution and rider that 90, 89.8, very good support, then 89.5 next, and below that only the bearishness may prevail. Yes, prices are divergent from the moving average. It can converge towards these levels. Stochastic overbought, MACD extremely bullish, RSI consistently trading overbought. This is the first red candle which is appearing. Now look at 2-hour charts. On the 2-hour chart, same observation here. This is the base, and then this is the base. With that, we can see crude is staying bullish. Now on the upside, it appears it has still got little much room on the upside here at around 90.8 and 91 zone. If you look at the stochastic, this is consistently staying overbought. MACD is divergent, MACD is bullish, looking upwards. RSI is also overbought. So almost on every time frame, it appears crude is staying extremely overbought, and hence you have to be watchful. But if you look at 3-hour chart, this is where the bottom stays here at around 88. With that, crude has seen this bullish channel, the top of the channel at 91. We all know that this is the zone which is going to give maximum resistance, and this is long-term resistance level which are going to come into picture at 91.5, 92.5 levels. Very strong resistance exists here. And in fact, in our weekly review, we have said that crude is in a hurry to achieve those levels, and that is what it appears. It has gone close to it. But at the same time, on the 3-hour, and as long as 89.8 levels are respected, we are not going to treat it for bearishness. But yes, the prices are too much divergent from the moving average. 20 period sitting at around 89. There should be a sign of little retracement. What has happened here can be expected here as well. Stochastic overbought, MACD divergent, MACD bullish. MACD has still lot much of room on the upside for crude here. Yes, it can continue to rally. RSI is overbought. Coming to 4-hour chart, likewise on the 4-hour charts, staying bullish here. Yes, trying to rise top of the Bollinger Band, giving it a little resistance, and support levels as what we had discussed. Yes, the prices are little divergent from the moving average. It can first wait for the moving average to climb and then converge. The stochastic overbought, MACD extremely divergent, extremely bullish, but it has lot much of room on the upside as well. RSI is also overbought. Coming to the, now look at the daily chart. See, enough of consolidation here at this zone, and this is the bullish channel in which it is trading. Today's candle has just started, and it is started on a red note. After this extreme bullish candle, possibility of a little retracement exists. 89.8 is something you should watch out for. And see, as long as this levels at 88.6 are respected, there is no chance of a complete reversal. We have to be watchful here. Any rise above 90.8 is where you can again stay long for 91.4 and 92 levels. Stochastic overbought, MACD divergent, bullish, RSI overbought. So looking at this, yes, right now if you want to initiate a sell entry, there is a probability that we may see little retracement on the downside. 90.3 you can initiate, 90.2 you can initiate a sell entry, and then expect 80, 90, 89.8 levels to give maximum support. Below 89.8, 89.5, 89.6 the next, and then 89. If it stays below 89, that is where little bearishness may prevail, and we can look forward to 88.5 and 6 levels, and then 88. See, only and only if you see it staying below 88.5 and 6, you can say that oil has reversed, and then a complete bearish bias can be seen here. At the same time, right now it is not showing any signs. Yes, a little retracement towards 89 levels cannot be denied. On the upside, 90.8, if it breaches pass by, you can look forward to 91.5 levels as the next target, and beyond that we can expect 92, 92.4. See, this zone here at 91.5, 92.5 is a great resistance for oil. You have to be careful at around these levels. Take your trades accordingly. Now let's have a look at net gas, and before we proceed, if you want to learn this art of trading, you should join my mentorship batch. The 26th batch is going to start on first week of October. Limited seats are available. Register yourself now itself. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Now let's have a look at net gas here. Look at net gas on the hourly charts, staying in this bullish channel. And if you look at double top and then bottom, once it stays beyond 2.9, you can again buy here. 2.92 zone, very good resistance exists here, and beyond 2.92 we can look forward to $3 levels. Right now it is shying away from $3 levels. We have seen yesterday it stayed outside Bollinger Band, and that is where we can see the pullback. 2.95 is definitely a greater resistance. And also if you look at, see, lower highs are seen here, lower lows are seen here, lower highs. Let it break beyond 2.88, 2.8, 2.9 and 2.92. These three levels, very important resistance levels, and then we can look forward to 2.95 at the next target. Stochastic near to overbought. MACD now willing to converge crossover for a buying entry. RSI is staying flat. Coming to the on the 2-hour charts, you can see a base is created at 2.86. With that as base, it is trying to rise. Let's see, as long as it stays about 2.8685 levels, there is a possibility of a retracement where one can again expect it to yield the highs there. Now if you look at the formation here, see, every rise is offset by a drop. Extreme rise then offset by drop. Higher lows are seen, higher highs are seen. Net gas staying in this bullish channel. So as long as 2.84, 2.82 levels are respected, we are not going to treat this as bearish. And like many times I've said earlier, 2.76, 2.8 zone is where the maximum support lies. The stochastic rising from the oversold levels. MACD is still bearish. RSI flat. Coming to the 3-hour chart, likewise on the 3-hour charts, prices divergent from the moving average, converge, divergent from the moving average, and have converged. Now you can see it is taking the support from the 20-period moving average. It can again continue to diverge and break past $3 levels here. Possibility is there. If you look at, it is showing a sign of reversal, taking the support from 2.86. Possibly the next candle when it appears, we may see it breaking past 2.88 levels. Once it stays about 2.88 here, the chances of it to rise for 2.9, 2.9 and then 2.95, if these three levels are breached, you can say more bullish momentum may prevail. But if you look at the Bollinger Bands, this is look down, it is converged, and hence the stronger momentum is required for it to continue on the upside. Stochastic has come to oversold levels on the 3-hour charts. MACD is divergent, MACD is bearish, MACD is looking down, and see this crossover, it does not mean that it cannot achieve highs. If it crosses over again, we can see net gas scaling higher highs. RSI has dropped. Coming to 4 on the 4-hour charts, likewise, prices have converged, staying in this bullish channel, taking the support here, showing a reversal sign. I will wait for the prices to stay above 2.88, 2.92 zone, specifically above that zone is where the bulls will take over. Then there is a resistance at 2.95. Beyond that, $3 levels will be seen. Stochastic oversold. MACD has crossed over at the top here, trading with little divergence. I will wait for it to converge, crossover. Remember what it has done here: highs, then lows, and higher lows. So yes, there is a squeeze which is happening here, and a breakout should bring more bullish momentum. RSI has dropped here. Coming to the now, look at daily chart. The prices went outside Bollinger Bands and has got a pullback here. It has come back to the resistance level. Also, if you look at, if it stays below 2.8584 zone, 2.83 levels, below 2.83 is where the bears might take over for 2.8, 2.76 zone. Remember, on the daily charts as well, the prices are too much divergent from the moving average. Right now the moving average is looking upwards. I will expect it to stretch the rise for a while, such that the moving averages can look upwards. Right now If you look at the formation, higher lows, higher highs, and the probability of it to get the support from 2.768 is very, very strong. The stochastic was overbought, it is cooled a bit. MACD is divergent, MACD is in green, RSI is flat. So looking at this, see 1 point of 2.88, 2.92 zone, definitely going to be a great resistance levels. Above 2.92 is where little more bullishness for 2.95 and $3 levels. Yes, on the daily charts, even if it tries to stay outside, that is what we had discussed, that Bollinger Bands may show you pullback, and that is what. Now today again, any rise towards 3 possibly may show a pullback later in the day, and hence you have to trade with caution. On the downside, yes, below 2.8485, rather I'll say 2.83 is a great resistance, and below 2.83 is where the bears will take. Those who want to take a little risk and sell, you can sell here at 2.86 levels. When I say 2.86, this price has to be below 2.86, where one can expect very strong support towards 2.83 levels, and then 2.8 is the next milestone. You have to ensure that you are trading with the stop loss at your entry price if you're taking a sell entry here. Trade accordingly, trade profitably, and on the downside, 2.8, 2.76 zone is the maximum support zone. So trade accordingly, trade with the stop loss, trade with the trailing stop loss. Do like, share, subscribe, and comment, friends. Do press the bell icon, join my mentorship batch signals channel and free Telegram channel. All the links are mentioned in the channel and video description. Reach out to me for any of your trading or training queries. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. See you again before the US session update. Do watch that video as well. Thank you.